Welcome to the next module. This is about the interface of the tool or program that we are going to be using. We've talked about this in the last module, but now in this module we'll look at the interface so as to get familiar with it before going into the main operations of the program. So the tool we are using is known as VideoStudio. VideoStudio. It's a program developed by Corel. This is the interface of VideoStudio, and if you look at this interface, you could see right here we have file, we have edit, tools, settings, help. All of these menus, they equally have submenus. You could see save as, new project, smart package. Under edit we have delete, copy, take snapshots, time remapping, tools. You could see the submenus under the main menu, which is the tool. And the beauty of this program, apart from the fact that it is a professional program, it is a tool that is easy to navigate. Like as you have under tools here, as you have all these submenus, time remapping, create disk, SD card, Blu-ray, and all of that, you can see some icons here. All these icons, what you have here can be accessed right here as well over the timeline. This place is called the timeline. These places, they are the icons. The icons here represent what you'll be working with on the timeline. And if you look at it, time remapping, this is time remapping here. Track motion, which is also under the submenu of tools, is also here. So what I'm saying in essence is what you have as submenu here, you equally have it as a menu over on the timeline, or on top of the timeline. If you look at this place, you see this is the edit, where you see icons, instant project. If you want to create something quickly, is loading. These are things that can be that are accessible. You see the transition, where you can change from one frame to another. It is good in making effects. This is the title for creating opening and end credit. You could see so many templates of what can be used. We have different types here. Then this is under the title here. There are also submenus. If you have some kind of favorite title, it can be accessed here. If you have 3D title, this is pre-installed. You will easily access the pre-installed templates here, or pre-installed 3D titles. Then custom, if you have anything you want to generate and store it, you can do that here. Then under this, within this icon is the graphic. Graphic refers to, as you could see, clip arts, colors. If you need colors for framing, if you need objects which are clip arts, if you need frame, all kinds of frame. If we should click one, you will see this is a frame here, and this is the viewport of what you are doing on this within this space. Under this menu as well, you could see background, where you can change your background to anything you want. You could see the background is changing from one picture to another as I'm clicking it. Then animation, for opening a scene or beginning a scene. If I should play this one, I click now, you will see is moving now. So that is animation as if a frame which can be used either as opening credit or for the end credit. Opening credit means those titles that you see at the beginning of a program or a movie, and end credits too, programs that you use. End credit, they are titles like names of producers, names of anchors, names of designers that put up things together to make a production. So this can be used. If I click it, you will see it will play the animated background. So that's that. We have FX here, which also means a kind of filter. It can be used, the filters can be used on your media elements, maybe video, maybe images, just to create effects. Once you pick it, it will be, you need to drop it on the media that you are bringing to the timeline. On the timeline, you could see the timing in terms of seconds, microseconds, minutes, and hour. That's what the number, that is what they signify, and you could see them here as well. So you can enlarge this timeline, you can reduce, you can enlarge. It's enlarged, you can see the timing changing. So then we have parts here, in case you need to make things move around, you can use this as an option. Then you can toggle around the space here, because they are your library. There are spaces that you need to access things. So as there are spaces, they are library. So this small icon here will show you the library. The other one here will show you the library plus option. You could see it's bringing project duration as an option, and the effects you are making use of, which is the paths. Then we have the show option panel. It is only the option that will be displayed right here. So when you go to the show library, it is your library that is only displayed. So what I have in the library, you could see I have picture. You could see the picture. I have something like a frame to begin a program. So I have that one there. And right here we have capture, where you can get things done. You can capture video, perhaps from a source, maybe from a video camera. If you have a DV quick link, you can import from digital media, maybe CD. You can start a stop motion. You use pictures, weave them together. And if you have multi cameras installed to the system, you can use it to capture visuals that you start working on. So this is the edit space, where you can start editing. Then the share, within this area, what you've done, what you've packaged, what you've edited can now be outputted. That is, it can be transferred to the final stage, and you could see different options. MPEG-4, if you are working on audio, you want to change things to, you want to render your visuals audio only. If you want to render it as audio video interleave, that is video. And if you want to output to a device, this option is there to get things done. Maybe your target is a game console, you can do that here. On clicking it, it will give you several rendition or rendering options. You could see, if it is a mobile device, you have the option too, with different option that you can choose to make your rendition. MPEG-4 to 2 megabytes per second in terms of 720 megapixels by 480 or 120/80 by 720. Then we have high definition as an option too. Then standard definition. Once you click it, under the there is a sub menu that you will be able to access and take options. And if you are rendering to the web, you will click here and you will see YouTube, Flickr, Vimeo. These are areas that you can output your production to, or you can even output straight to DVD or SD card. If you have a memory card that you want to output to, the memory card will be inserted into the system, and you can also output to a 3D media, and you can do that with the aid of MPEG-2, AVC, or window media video. So these are options that are available for you to work with, and you could see other parameters that are needed. If you are outputting to, let's say, MPEG-4, you could see the options, the title of your video that you've produced, where you are saving it to, the location, and other items needed that will aid your rendition. And you could see this is the rendering engine that is actually helping you graphically. So it can be toggled so far you have what is needed. But as it is, this is okay for the project, and it will actually help us to get things done. Right here, this is the format we are working on, and it is 1280 by 720 pixels. So that's the standard this has been set to. So this is all about the interface. This is the viewport, like I said, the display window. You can see the play button, the back, the forward, the speed options, HD, volume, and the timing, and also icons here that you can work with. So these are things needed to be known as regards the interface for Corel Video Studio. Thank you. We'll move to the next module, which is on operations.